What's up, guys? So before you comment, hear me out. I'm at McDonald's, as you can see here, right? The Golden Arches, although today they're upside down. They said welcome to WcDonalds because they're doing a promotional thing, some kind of anime thing. I don't know anything about anime, like nothing. My niece is super into anime. My brother-in-law Vinny, you've seen my videos, he loves anime. I don't know jack squat about it, but they have a new sauce and I had to try it. So here's the new sauce. Now again, I know you're gonna go, dude, you're killing us. Oh, see, it was weird because I thought the M, but no, it's upside down. You're killing us, man. First the Oreos, now McDonald's. Well, it's healthy McDonald's. How is that possible? Well, you know, I really wanted to try this sauce, but I realized I didn't have to try it with a burger or fries or nuggets, which most people would. I'm actually gonna try it today with some apple slices. I know it sounds maybe weird. It's a sweet chili sauce. Maybe it's going to be awesome. I have no idea. We're going to find out in a minute. These are $1.19, which is, of course, not worth it, but, you know, it's convenient. There's no skins on them or anything. They're just apple slices. There's probably some kind of preservative here so they don't go brown. I don't know. 15 calories. Anyway, and I got myself a water to wash it down with. Look at that. We got some, I don't know, what's that say in Japanese? Is that Japanese? I don't know. So apples, water, and the new sauce. All right, so I'm gonna put you down for a second. We'll take a look at the sauce and we'll try it out. I'll be back. All right, so there's the sauce. Just took the top off. It looks like a generic sweet chili sauce, like kind of a clear ketchup-y type color. So let me swing back around here and we'll try it out. All right, here we go. Grab myself a little apple slice here. The most processed apple you can find. Go ahead and dunk it in this sauce. We'll have a healthy amount there. Yeah, I mean, here's a closer look at it. Just looks like looks kind of like a barbecue sauce, or I mean, some sweet chili. Wow, it smells like teriyaki sauce. All right, down the hatch. Well, the first thing I could say is, you know, the apples aren't the best, you know, choice to dip this. Obviously, it'd be better with some fries or a chicken nugget or something. But the sauce to me tastes like a combination of sweet chili sauce and teriyaki sauce. It has a lot of like tang to it. It has a little bit of heat. It's not as spicy as I remember, like the mambo sauce they had last time. So it's not, it has a little kick, like, you know, Christina is super sensitive to heat, so this might be like spicy to her, but if you like spice, this is not spicy. It just has a little bit of that heat, you know, sensation. Go for another one here. Yeah, I mean, it's not great. You know what it tastes like? Did you ever get like a random, some kind of an Asian sauce to cook with, and you put it directly on food, and then it's just like, this should be cooked? That's the vibe I get with this. I feel like this flavor is uncooked. Like if you have a marinade, but you use marinade as a sauce, you know, on top of cooked food, it's not that great. Like I feel like this, if you slathered wings with this that were already cooked, and then you put it like in a air fryer or something for a couple seconds, so it cooked that sauce a little bit, it'd be way better. Not great. Not a fan. I think the mambo sauce and that, you know, kind of berry jelly sauce they had was way better than this. It tastes like a marinade. Does that make sense? It is sweet chili, but it's definitely like some kind of teriyaki or soy-based flavor that's in there too. It's very, very strong and bright. It's very flavorful, I'll say that. But it's not good. I definitely wouldn't want this again. So that's it. Enjoy my apples. Wash it down with my water. I am from Jersey, so it's water. But if I don't pronounce that T, water, you might get confused, right? Anyway, that's all. You can go to McDonald's and eat healthy, right? Not really. So yeah, the fat kid in me is a little bummed I don't have any chicken nuggets to enjoy this sauce with, but I'll live. So that's all. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. All right, on my way home, I actually forgot to tell you, so the sauce costs 25 cents. I don't know if you know that, but all McDonald's sauces, if you want extra, obviously it comes with things. If you want to buy them, they're 25 cents each. They always have been. Although, you know, when you're out the window getting your food and you already paid, if you just ask for some sauce, they'll probably give it to you, especially if it's just some kid. Once in a while, maybe get a manager or something that just tells you, sorry, you know, you have to buy it. But anyway, so I paid 25 cents for the sauce, and the water was free. Again, if you don't know, a cup of water, ice water, or without ice is completely free at McDonald's. So if you ever have a dry throat, you can just roll on in and get your free water. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow.